Welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I have a new collection to share with you from the Reject Shop. It is called Make a Splash. I am the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. Now, there is no journal cards. These are not part of it. These are just something else I picked up at the Reject Shop. They were on clearance for $1 and so I grabbed them. There was only one packet, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would have grabbed a bunch more to share. This one, as you can see, is mermaid themed. This doesn't say Make a Splash. It has some waves. It has starfish, a shell, a turtle, and some seaweed and some fish and a shell. Mermaid scales, and then I guess they're meant to represent bubbles. So I grabbed that. That was $4. Mer-Mazing 3D stickers. They are iridescent foil and they say, "You are truly Mer-Mazing. Have a mer-magical day. Dream big, little mermaid. You've mermaid my day. Be a mermaid and make waves. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes." There are 6 in this packet. This one has 3 sheets and these are the layered stickers. Make your dreams happen. We've got a mermaid, a seahorse that says celebrate, and a shell with a pearl. We've got some border strips, lots of words, sunshine vibes, the world is your oyster, you've mermaid my day, mermaid hair, hello today. And then we have these beautiful foiled ones. Just go with the flow, girls can do amazing things, love over hate, hanging with my besties. Then we have the 5-sheet sticker books that they've started doing, and we have one for the mermaid collection. We have this one which has all different ones, shells, fish, life rings. Are they narwhals? I don't know. They've got a little horn. Actually everything, they've given everything unicorn horns. What? Even the seahorses have unicorn horns. Then we've got the oyster pearl shells, mermaid tails, shells with bubbles, glasses, shells, starfish, tails. These ones have the foil and some glasses. Then this one is all foiled and we have a bunch of starfish and these beautiful shells. I'm just going to skip the next page for a minute because that is the best page. Then we have these gorgeous iridescent letters and you can see the rainbow that my light is making them. Then we have these iridescent foiled ones and they say, just be kind and brave, that's all you ever need to be. Make your dreams happen, shimmer and shine, make a wish upon a starfish, dream big, little mermaid, you've mermaid my day. There's some bubbles, mermaid at heart, a mermaid tail, the world is your oyster, happy girls are the prettiest, Mer-Mazing, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. This one has all these gorgeous iridescent mermaids. I would buy this just for that. That is absolutely stunning. They are so pretty. Then we have the cardstock. So I'm pretty sure that was $4. I can't remember if they were $3.50 or $4. My mermaid seems to have slipped, so I'm probably going to have to do some repairs on that one. I found these at Miranda and they didn't have a lot of, they had a lot of collections, but they were the collections that we already had. They barely had any Christmas stuff. They didn't have any of the Aussie Christmas. They mostly have the collection with the sloth and the last collection with the unicorns. They had that one. So our first sheet is the mermaids. Then we've got the pinky purpley scale, like a mauve colour. Then we have the mauve stars with the seaweed. We have a bubble type pattern, sprinkles. This one says good day, sea, travel, sun, love, happiness, summer, freedom, friendship. Then we have life rings and donuts. That's a weird combination. Then we have this burst pattern, which is really prettily foiled with the iridescent. I wish this was an iridescent foil instead of the black and white stripe. That would be so nice. And then we just have this pattern. Seashells, starfish and flowers, I guess. Birds, the shell in the corner with seaweed, and this blue and purple one. And there's a flyby catting. Okay, sit down. Then we have this one, and all these little tickets say different things. Just go with the flow, catching rays with my faves, you can't stop me, one-way ticket. So it's really tiny and really hard to read. Then we have the flowers, some yellow zigzags, and this beautiful mermaid scale with the foil. Isn't that stunning? Then we just have another random pattern on a purple background, and we're back to the mermaids again. And last but never least, this is 152 piece cardstock die cuts. So these four things are definitely $4. And I can't remember if they're $3.50 or $4. And then they were $2.50. So we have the big oyster pearl shells, some mermaids, I guess they're narwhals, I'm not sure. Inspirational. And as always, you get 2 of everything. And then we have big seaweed in the green, and there's 2 different tones of green. And then in the iridescent. And then we have seaweed in the purple colour with some iridescent foil. We have this lovely mermaid, these shells, the flamingo floaties. There's some jellyfish. And again, they have the silver foil, some more seaweed, some turtles, some shells. Then we have Catching Rays with my faves, You Were Born to Summer, the oyster shell, some glasses, You Can't Stop Me, We Grow Together, Feeling So Happy. Then we have the starfish, lots of little starfish. And it looks like we even have bubbles, which is why we have so many pieces this time, I think. I'm not sure what that is. That might be a piece of something, so we'll keep that for a minute and see if we find the rest of it. Lots of itty bitty bubbles, some tiny pink fish, the seahorses with the unicorn horns, starfish, floaty, deep thoughts and magical secrets. It's like a diary. Splash squad. Oh, they're water droplets. Okay, I get it. All of these little tiny pieces are water droplets. Fabulous. And a big splash, an itty bitty fish, No Bad Days, Shake It Off. I laughed when I saw that the first time. And sang Seashells, Sand, Sunshine. Lots of words. I always love it when they put lots of words in. You Are a Treasure, Just Keep Swimming. I could see that going on a planner page. Sunshine Vibes, Salty Kisses and Starfish Wishes. Now these pop out to make frames. And as you can tell, my cat's saying hello today. And then this is the same again, only the bottom has a bigger border. Let Your Light Shine. Then we have these little satchels. Love. These are little file tabs. Hashtag Mer-Mazing. Hashtag Flawless. Hashtag Fearless. Hashtag Mermaid Hair. Fun. Hashtag Smart Girls. Hashtag Photo of the Day. Some itty bitty purple starfish, ampersands, some little tags, some spiral seashells, some bigger tags. My besties, help me be my best self. Some flower tags, film strip, which all these little bits pop out. And you could actually use them for something else, stamp in the middle or something. And then all these little tiny side bits pop out as well. Never Let Anyone Burst Your Bubble. A bigger spiral shell. These beautifully foiled seashells. These shells, We Grow Together. I'm Doing This. Some more starfish and some more bubbles. There is so much stuff in this one. It is crazy. 152 pieces. That's a lot of ephemera. So that is great value for $4. Considering they're on nice sturdy cardstock, they might be slightly thinner than the Kaisercraft ones, but in the Kaisercraft ones it's $8 for 50 pieces, and in this we got 152 pieces. So this is the Reject Shop's new collection. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Would you use it? Do you like it? I think it's really pretty. Some of the pages are a bit how you going, but layering pieces, background pieces, stick stuff over the top of pieces, punch shapes out of pieces. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Don't forget I have a planner channel, which I'll link over here for all things planner. I did an erasable pen test a couple of weeks ago. I put all my planner layouts over there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wish Floaties, Flamingo Flamodi of Itty Bitty Butter